Hola mi amigos, welcome back to my channel Marble Forward, where we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and impart knowledge to both newbies and veteran in game. So today I'll be teaching you guys how you can add any network to Metamask. Well, before adding any network to our Metamask, let's firstly go and add our Metamask to our extension, guys. And also we are doing a challenge raising from $0 to $10,000 with airdrop. So I want you guys to also join the challenge. In the upcoming videos you'll be seeing how we can do that. Okay guys, as you can see, this is Metamask. You click on it. Okay guys, as you can see, I already add mine to my own extension, so I'm not removing it. If you want to add yours, you can do it like that. And also guys, you will pin it. You can unpin if you want, but I preferly you have to pin so that it will show on the home screen. Okay guys, as you can see, we've done that. There's no time to check time. Let's just get started. But before that, I will log in my Metamask to the PC, guys. As you can see, then I will input my password. I will input my password there and log in before I add any network to it. As you can see, I only have Ethereum there. And the first thing I want to be adding is my PEP26. I don't know how to add that. I'll just go to Google and ask what I need to do. As you can see, this is it. So I will go to Google and ask how to add PEP20 to Metamask. As you can see, that is it. So as you can see, these are the things I need to do if I want to add it. So this link, I will just click on it to see how to do that, guys. As you can see, how to add Binance Smart Chain to PEP20 to Metamask for various transactions. We have the mainnet and the testnet. The mainnet is the real deal, while the testnet is just for testing. You put your money in testnet or your asset, then it's gone for vanish because it's just for testing. So the mainnet is what we really need, guys. The testnet is just for testing. As you can see, the mainnet, we need the network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block URL explorer. So I'll go back to my Metamask wallet and click on add network. As you can see, so guys, these are the things that I need. So I'll go back to how to add Binance Smart Chain, and I'll copy the information down and then go paste it there, since that is what I need to do. My network name, my RPC URL. So guys, I'll just, as you can see, I've already done that, copying everything one by one. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to Marble Forward and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. I've done that. Then I'll click on save. Okay guys, as you can see, Binance Smart Chain was successfully added. I've already added my Binance Smart Chain to it. To show you guys that Metamask can access on network, I'll be adding another network. That's why it's more preferable than Trust Wallet, because it can access on network. So I'll be adding another network which is quite unpopular. The network I'll be adding is EcoBoy. EcoBoy is a whole topic on it that I will be looking into future. So the same thing I press is how to add PEP20 to Metamask. Then I'll press again that how to add EcoBoy mainnet to my Metamask. As you can see, guys, connect your wallet. I'll click on this connect your wallet EcoBoy chain. Okay guys, as you can see, these are the new network name EcoBoy chain, the RPC and the chain ID, the symbol, block explorer URL. So I'll go back to my Metamask wallet. It's still the same old process. Just go to add network name, and I'll input everything that I need to input in it. Okay guys, don't forget I said we are doing a challenge where I'm raising my Metamask wallet from $0 to $10,000. As you can see, there is nothing there. I especially opened the wallet for this challenge, so you can also join me in my upcoming videos. You'll be seeing what we can do to achieve that. As you can see, EcoBoy chain was successfully added. I've successfully added my EcoBoy. You can add more, but like I said earlier, Metamask can access whole network. That is how to do that, guys. Okay guys, as you can see below, you see import token. So I would like to add another custom token. So if I want to do that, I'll go to my Pancakeswap to bring one custom token and add it to my Metamask. So I'll just go to my Pancakeswap and do that. And also guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button to Marble Forward and turn on the notification here so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. I will be adding my PEP20. I'll be using my Binance Smart Chain to add my custom token in my coin market cap. So I'll just search for the coin that I'm using. I'm using Nemesis DAO. As you can see, I already searched for it. Okay guys, can you see the Binance Smart JPEG 20 address for my Nemesis DAO? I will copy the address, then go to import token and paste the token address, the other information, the token decimal and the symbol will be shown here since I already copy paste the contract address. So I'll just click on add custom token, import token. As you can see, I've successfully added my token Nemesis DAO to my Metamask wallet. If you want to do that, just go to your market cap and search for the token that you want to add. So guys, if you want to send Nemesis out, you click on this send and paste the address you are sending to. That is if you want to send out anything, so you paste the address you are sending to. Okay guys, so I will be showing you. I want to explore my account to see the transaction I've done so far. Since my EcoBall is the only place I'm having some tokens, so I'll go to my EcoBall to see the transaction I've performed on EcoBall. As you can see guys, there are no matching entries. That means I've not performed much transaction. So I'll go back to my Metamask. This is for Ethereum. Then I'll go back to click on EcoBall. I have 100 EcoBall. It's an airdrop. I told you guys I'll be moving to it deep in the future. Okay guys, as you can see, this address transfer EcoBall to me at this also date. So guys, if you want to connect your Metamask to your DApps, if you are using mobile phone, there will be a corner where you see the apps. You click on it to connect your wallet. As you can see, this is Ethereum. So if you want to connect Ethereum, we are going to use OpenSea so that we will see the NFTs to check our NFTs. So I will open another new tab to connect my Ethereum to OpenSea. As you can see, this is the OpenSea. I will click on it. It is the largest NFT marketplace. So this is the DApp, so I will click on this. This is where I will connect my wallet to it. Metamask, connect. As you can see, I'll click on next, connect. I already connect my Ethereum wallet to my OpenSea. As you can see, it will show my total balance if I have anything, any NFT. So it will show it. As you can see, I have nothing for now. My collection, I have no collection. So guys, that is for Ethereum and OpenSea. Okay guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button to Marble Forward, because soon I'll be doing a challenge where I'll raise my Metamask wallet from $0 to $10,000, and where I will accumulate NFTs, and I'll be sharing secrets on how you can get free tokens, for example like the EcoBall I got. So stay tuned guys for more. We are coming. Okay guys, let's go back to the video. I'll go back to my Metamask. Then for my Binance Smart Chain, to connect the wallet, I'm going to be using Pancakeswap. So I'll open another tab for Pancakeswap. I'll click on it. So as you can see, I'll click on so I'll connect my wallet. I'm using Metamask that I've successfully connect my wallet. So I will show you guys how you can trade on it. As you can see, this is BNB and Cake. So I will be using BNB and Cake. For example, we have, as you can see, I have nothing. I just want to show you guys how you can do that. Let's assume I want to swap from 4 BNB to Cake. So the total Cake is 163.321. So I'll just click on swap, but because I don't have insufficient BNB balance, so it cannot go. Assuming I have some BNB, so this page will be green. I'll just click on it and I will go on. Okay guys, the last but not the least is my EcoBall, which has not a cast because it's coming big. So I'll go to their Telegram group to check how I can connect it. As you can see, there it is. So I will copy this and open a new tab for it. So I will paste it. As you can see, this is it. So connect your wallet, my Metamask wallet, Metamask. connect. I have successfully connected my Metamask EcoBall to this. So guys, as you can see, I can use my EcoBall to buy lucky balls. As you can see, I'm just going to click on the amount of lucky ball I want to buy, maybe 10 or 1. As you can see, I have that's 5 equals. I want to buy 1 lucky ball so that I can buy instantly. Wow. Then I'll confirm the transaction. The gas fee is amount plus gas fee. The total is 5 echo. So if I'm buying, I'll click on confirm. Okay guys, actually I'm not really buying, so that's how you can just do it if you want to. Okay guys, that is all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned more. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to my phone one and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a new video you'll be notified. Stay tuned with the channel because there will be a lot of more giveaways for you guys, a lot of coins to invest on. Okay guys, that's all. Adios, mi amigos.